Hello, my name is Brian Lee and I'm talking about why aluminum alloy should be used to create your bikes. So you might be asking, why aluminum alloy? Well, aluminum alloy has two properties that stood out to me. It has a low density and high hardness. Having a low density means that it is able to stay light yet strong, and having a high hardness means that it does not break as easily. Some aluminum properties that stood out and were important to bikes were that the aluminum does not react with water. This means it is not soluble, combustible, or it will not damage the metal whatsoever. In addition to not reacting with water, it also does not oxidize. This means that the bike will not rust or form any rust because of the aluminum oxide layer as shown in the picture to your right here. This layer prevents any imperfections from reaching the aluminum metal. The last thing that was important was that it had a high strength to weight ratio. This meant that it could stay light and hold a lot of weight. Now, you might be asking, how does this benefit your bike? Well, this benefits your bike because it has a low density. This means that it'll be very light, portable, and it won't be as challenging to maybe bring up the stairs to work or put on a rack when on a bus ride. In addition to a low density, as a high hardness. This hardness means that it is sturdy strength, does not break as easily. So you might fallen down and your bike goes 5 feet in front of you. It won't break. Maybe a few scratches, but will not break. So there were two different types of metals. There was aluminum alloy 5052 and aluminum alloy 7075. So aluminum alloy 5052 is a mixture of different metals put together. This is comprised of copper, iron, aluminum, chromium, silicon, and manganese. These were all put together because aluminum itself isn't as strong. When combined with these, it makes it stronger, lighter, and gives a sleek look because of the silicon. In addition, on the Brinell hardness, it has a hardness of 60. Aluminum alloy 7075 is mostly comprised of zinc, copper, and magnesium, in addition to a slight percentage of silicon, iron, manganese, titanium, and chromium. It has a tensile strength of 83,000 pounds per square inch and has a high Brinell scale or number of 150. So which type of aluminum are you choosing? Well, I would recommend the aluminum 5052 because it is light, means that it's portable, easy to take around, it is durable, it won't break as easily, so it has a very long life expectancy, in addition to a high tensile strength. That means that it will not break under pressure. So now you might be wondering, what does this look like on the molecular scale? Well, on the molecular scale, it looks like this. Here we have the electron configuration of the electrons in this cloud. This shows all the possible areas for where an electron can be. However, that doesn't really matter in our diagram because we are basically looking at how the structure are for the protons. So the structure of the protons are that they are stacked onto each other like solids, giving them each other support. However, they have space in between, allowing it to be a little more porous, lighter, and it saves efficiency for being lighter but yet sturdier. So I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation of why aluminum alloy should be used in your bikes, and thank you.